In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install and optimize your OBS Studio recording for games and desktop recording. First thing, you need to go to obsproject.com and choose the version that matches your operating system. Download and install for your OS. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Upon opening OBS Studio, you'll be prompted to configure basic settings. Click on Settings on the OBS Studio. For the resolution, go to the Video section. Set base and output resolution. For 180p monitor, use 1920x 1080 resolution. Choose FPS 60 FPS for smoother videos and 30 FPS for lower-end PCs. Now go to Output Mode and choose Advanced. Under the Recording tab, specify the destination for recording videos. Use MKV format instead of MP4 for safety. After you finish this, click Apply and OK to save your settings and start recording using OBS Studio with these optimized settings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this